In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image in Base44. Whether you're building a website for personal use or managing a professional project, incorporating images effectively can make all the difference in conveying your message. Let's walk through the process together to ensure everything is clear and straightforward. First, you're going to need to upload your image using the AI chat feature. Start by opening your app editor, which is your central hub for making changes and adding new content to your site. Once you've got that open, direct your attention to the AI chat. In the AI chat interface, you'll see a plus or add button, which is the gateway to many features and options for enhancing your site. Go ahead and click on the plus button. This will prompt a list of options for you to choose from, allowing you a range of functionalities to dive into. For our purpose today, you'll want to select Upload from Computer. This option enables you to choose an image stored on your local device, allowing you to customize your site using personal or branded visuals. Next, navigate through your folders to find the image you wish to upload. Click on your chosen file and confirm your selection. By doing this, you're making it accessible to Base44, preparing it for the next stage of implementation. At this point, Base44's AI will ask you what you'd like to do with the image you just uploaded. This is where you get to tell Base44 where and how to use your image to achieve your desired visual impact. For instance, you might say, add this image as the hero banner on the homepage. By specifying this, you're instructing Base44 to place your image prominently at the top of the homepage, a common choice for setting the tone and atmosphere of your site's first impression. Having a clear idea of where you want your image to go and how you want it to function within your site can greatly affect the user interface and user experience. A hero banner, for example, is typically the first element your visitors will see, so it's important to choose an image that aligns with your message or brand identity. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully uploaded an image into Base44 and applied it in a way that enhances your site's aesthetic appeal and user experience. Remember, using well-placed images is crucial in making your site visually appealing and engaging to your audience. So take your time in selecting the right imagery and feel free to experiment with placements to see what works best for your needs. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful in advancing your Base44 project. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on how to optimize your website design.